Hi, it's Maria from the Tarot Shop here, and I am unboxing here When Women Had Wings Tarot by Angie Sullen. So she's written it, and the artwork is by Jenna, I don't want to say her name because I don't want to offend it, but Della Grottaglia. It's a gorgeous deck. I've had a quick peek through it. On the back here, she says, you may not be able to see or touch them. You may have lost your memory of them altogether, but you do indeed have wings. They may be fluttering just under the surface of your skin or folded deep in the realm of your psyche. They may be crumbled or torn, lying tattered in the well of despair, but they are as real as your breath and as necessary. So when it says when women had, it is not an exclusive. So it says here, one of the things they want to be really clear about is it's not just for women. So 78 purple gilt edge. I have to say that when I first used the gilt edged, I'm not a fan of the initial bit because you have to break each and every one because it almost sticks them together. But I believe I've done that now. So we should flow through those now. And you get an organza bag, an amazing book, very thick, beautifully illustrated, a piece of artwork in its own. Each card has its own page, and at the very beginning they're very explanatory around the energy of this. And it's about, so for example, you can draw your own, but it's important to understand that they're saying the energies, it's about the energy and not the gender. That's essentially it. So when women had wings, there was balance, there was power, there was sensuality, there was creativity, there was flight, and then a memory of wings. So it's about the deck. So Greek mythology states that Psyche was the most beautiful of women, arousing the jealousy of goddesses. Because of her stunning beauty and a powerful determined spirit, she was granted immortality. The word Psyche in the Greek language means both soul and butterfly. Webster's dictionary cites several definitions of the word psyche, amongst them animating spirit, the human soul, and the second emanation of the one, regarded as a universal consciousness and as the animating principle of the world. This winged animating spirit lives inside of you. Her butterfly nature is designed to handle times of crawling, cocooning, transforming and flying. So it is a beautiful deck. Okay, let's do that. Have a look at the deck. Have a look at the cards. I think they're stunning. You'll be pleased to hear that I've already been through them, so I'm not going to go ooh and ah at every single card. But they are gorgeous. Very gods and goddesses feel. Very angelic. It feels very otherworldly. And some of these cards are beyond stunning. Look at this one. I want to make sure the light's not on you. They are. I think we're talking Rider-Waite based. Would you agree? Very much so. Personally, I really like them. I think that it would be... It's a very visual deck. But as we say, using the Rider-Waite symbology so that you don't lose the essence of the Rider-Waite reading system. So it's the same system, using the system, sorry. I'm going to pull a random card, do a card pull at the end. And then you'll be able to see how they translating. This is a beautiful card, isn't it? You always have it as artwork. Oh, the grief. Oops. And Pentacles. So, oh, I beg your pardon. So let's just say we've done these are beautifully shuffled and we're picking a card. So let's go for this card here. Queen of Wands. Okay, so we've pulled the Queen of Wands for our day. Sorry, I'm juddering the camera there. Queen of Wands. So you'll go in here when you're learning, or you will know what it means, but I just want to show you the cards themselves. Confident and independent, courageous, a self-made, accomplished person who shines brightly and is willing to share that light with others. One who can get things done because of an exceptional capacity to engage with others. A loyal supporter and initiator of encouragement. A warm, gregarious person who is a delightful social butterfly. So that's the description that you get of the card. It's not meanings, it just tells you what the card is, what the energy of the card is. Okay, so that's it. These are the When Women Had Wings tarot deck, written by Angie Sullins, and it is beautiful. Very pretty deck, very shiny, just a very attractive experience. That's a treat. Okay, so thank you very much for your time. I hope you found that helpful. Let me know what you think in the comments below, and goodbye.